AKON Curtains presents industrial curtain walls for industrial and commercial applications. Our industrial curtains are made to order for a custom fit for any space and with custom colors to match your company. Choose from 4 different layouts to enclose your space quickly and efficiently. AKON offers all opaque material if you want some privacy, or clear material if you want to let the light in. If you want both opaque and clear, then we can do that as well with a vision panel. Our puncture-proof vinyl is among the strongest available on the American market. Galvanized steel tracks with roller hooks ensure smooth operation, while 5 attachment styles provide versatile mounting options. Simply roll back the curtain when it's not needed for full access into the area. We can also split the curtain so it stores to both the left side and the right side. Use AKON curtains for auto shop bays. Paint and wash down bays to contain overspray. Welding bays to contain sparks and UV rays. Home garages to enclose dusty working areas. Even odor control. The uses are endless with AKON Industrial Curtains. Are you ready to customize your industrial curtains? Then let's get started and build yours today.